You guys, this is the opportunity that I've been dreaming of ever since I started my YouTube channel. Whoa. I started my YouTube channel 6 years ago. People would have these unboxing videos where they open an entire case of blind bags, and this is something that I've always wanted to do, but it was like way too expensive. I want to give a big thank you to Monogram, who sent this to me for free to unbox and review. Thank you for making my YouTube dream come true. Oh my gosh. 24 blind bags, all containing these adorable Hello Kitty Naruto keychains. So just looking at the back of this, I think I'm gonna like the My Melody one the best, and I also like Choco Cat. I think that's super cute, and I'm really excited to see what the mystery figures are. And the first one is Bad Batsimaru. We are bound to get some doubles, but my first one is already a duplicate. This one looks like it's not going to be a figure. I think it's going to be one of those frame ones. It's Pochocco! This one is so cute. I like how the decoration extends to the back too. Hi Melody! I think this one is my favorite.
Where's my Melody? Here. Not my Melody. There. Are you opening all of them?
Yeah, you want to open some of them?
Can we keep some?
Yeah, you can keep some.
Oh, thank you, Mommy.
You want to open some packages?
Can I have
Wait, I'm gonna put these in order, okay?
That's Pochocco.
And we finally got this Hello Kitty Naruto combo. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't actually watch Naruto, so I don't really know the characters, but I do know that this one is the main character. So here's what we have so far. We're still missing Pochocco. Rare one. Gold. Okay, Naruto. So we have our first exclusive character. This is the exclusive A, and this looks very similar to the Hello Kitty Naruto figure that I just opened. So let's compare them. What do you guys think? I kind of like the one that's in color a little bit better than the special one, but let me know which one you guys prefer in the comments below. Oh, it's another Hello Kitty Naruto. Once we hit these, we kept getting them. And we have another Choco Cat. I really like this one for some reason. It's so cute. This is our first time getting this one. This is kind of like a picture frame. I want to call it the picture frame one, but it's just a little square instead of a minifigure. Which one do you guys prefer? I kind of like the picture frame one, but I don't know, they're both cute. Choco. And we have all of them. Look at the detail on the back. I love his little tail. And let's compare the figure to the picture frame. Which one do you guys like better? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Okay, so I think the only one that we need, that we haven't gotten yet, is the exclusive B figure, which is, it looks like from the shape it's going to be a My Melody. Those are all open. You could just rip it once you put it. And the My Melody.
Mommy, how do you flip it? Because we got so many packets. Why'd you order so many?
I didn't, they sent it to me.
Another My Melody. Could be lucky. Where's it gonna be? It's not going to be a My Melody. It's going to be a cinnamon. Mommy, is push up for a boy?
I think so.
But she's so cute. Probably don't care if he's a boy or a girl. Hello Kitty. It looks like Hello Kitty and My Melody are girls. I want to open some until I get a different type of character. I wonder if this is
You can just cut it a little bit and then rip it.
It's gonna be. Pochoco.
We've got so many Pochocos.
This time is going to be. What is it? Why is he always a grumpy little chick?
He's bad,
Passing out is bad. I think I want to feel this one this time.
You put this cardboard in there so you can't tell.
Mommy, what does Katsunada do?
I don't know.
What does that one feel like? Does it feel different? I didn't get to go with My Melody. Please, I'm begging. Conky! Over. I wish it had millions of different. Same one. Same one. Why does it have to be the same one? All this time I've been begging, so don't beg.
Okay.
Don't beg. If I never beg, then it always happens. Oh my god! Oh my god! I told you! Silver! Ow! Since I opened it, does that mean I have it?
Okay.
Oh my god! Told you!
Okay.
If I don't beg, it always happens.
Let's cut a little snippet.
Oh, this is cute.
Choco cat.
Choco cat.